Hello everyone, this is Hemant Dangi. As we know that the year 2020 was not at all easy. It has introduced us with various kind of new things starting from COVID-19 to lockdown to social distancing. Today I am going to discuss about a concept or a term that was constantly making the headlines of the newspaper in the past 3 to 4 months, which is herd immunity. The herd immunity is a kind of indirect protection which is achieved by introducing about 70 to 80% of a community of population to a pathogen, and the protection is achieved by the help of the natural immunity or by the help of vaccine if it is available. So this whole experiment of the herd immunity involves following step. First, the novel pathogen which causes a particular kind of disease is introduced in a community of population. Since the pathogen is new, no one would have any immunity against it and it will start to spread. Within the course of time, the natural immune system of a person would act against the pathogen, and some of the person who have the better strength in terms of their immune system will generate the immunity against the pathogen by natural means. Some of them will generate the immunity by means of vaccination if it is available, since it was not available in case of COVID-19, but thanks to our scientists, the India few days before only our government has initiated its own indigenous vaccination program. Moving apart, in the last step, when this experiment would reach its culmination, the pathogen will not be able to find the new host, and it will stop to spread if the things goes in the normal way. I am very sure that a question would be arising in the minds of our listener that such a risky experiment or such a big experiment is available in India with such a big population. So I have prepared a small talk on it. So according to a report, the population of India contributes about 16.7% population of the world. At the same time, the healthcare facilities of India merely makes about 2 to 3% of the healthcare facility if we say it at worldwide. If we perform such an experiment in the country like India, let us say we introduce the virus COVID-19 in India, and the 70% of the population of India will be infected. So 70% of the total population of India means approximately 96 crore people. So these 96 crore persons will need the medical facilities or the medical care at the same time. So is India having such a great healthcare facilities to sustain this much of people? According to the report of the health ministry of our country, there are about 19 lakh beds, 95,000 ICUs and 48,000 ventilators that too are concentrated in the urban areas. The villages, being the heart of India and the home of approximately 68% population of India, would also be the part of this experiment. But the healthcare facilities in the villages are not that much appropriate. According to a report, there are about 50,000 primary healthcare centers working in the rural areas. So, at last, I would just say that this kind of experiment is not possible in the country like India with such a vast and elephantine population. Thank you.